everyone, this is Mahima Singh, legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today we'll talk about section 42, 43 and 44 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Now, what does section 42 states? It gives authority to the police officer to arrest a person for non-cognizable offence. The person may be arrested when he has committed an offence or has been accused of committing non-cognizable offences. So, when a person refuses to acknowledge his name, address or anything like this, it also states that if a person fulfills all the requirement, shall be released on bail bond with or without surety. If the procedure is incomplete, after 24 hours, the same shall be forwarded to the magistrate having the jurisdiction. Now, what does section 43 states? 43 gives right to a private person to arrest a person who is in the presence of him or her has committed an offence that falls within the purview of either cognizable or non-bailable who is proclaimed offender. The private person arresting is duty bound to make the arrestee to a police officer and in his absence to the nearest police station without unnecessary delay. On the other hand, section 44 empowers executive or judicial to arrest an individual who has committed offence in his presence and during custody. Now there is this landmark judgment, that is D.K. Basu versus State of West Bengal. The court issued 11 guidelines in the addition to constitutional and statutory safeguard that must be followed in the case of arrest and detention. Now what is that? First is identification of an arresting officer must be clear, visible and all detail must be recorded in the register. Second is memorandum must be prepared and containing all the details which must be witnessed by the near or dear of the detainee. Now third is police must ensure that the accused should avail right to be informed. Now fourth is police need to inform him about legal aid organization within 8 to 12 hours of the arrest. Now the person arrested must be informed his right as an accused. An entry must be made in the prescribed diary. If the arrestee is injured, he must be legally examined. Now, if the medical examination should be the medical examination should be done within the 48 hours of the arrest. All details must be sent to the magistrate in writing. The arrestee must allowed to meet attorney. A room shall be provided to officers for communication. So, these are the 11 guidelines that are prescribed in the landmark judgment of D.K. Basu versus State of West Bengal and other. See you in the next video and we'll talk about other things regarding that particular chapter, chapter 5 of Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Thank you very much.